If you're experiencing billing issues on Xbox, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review recent transactions. Look at your recent transactions to identify any discrepancies. You can find this information in the billing section of your account settings. Make sure all charges are legitimate. Step 3. Update your billing information. If your payment method is outdated, update your billing information. Navigate to the payment and billing section of your account and enter the correct details. Step 4. Contact Xbox support. If the problem persists, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. You can do this through the Xbox website or by using the Xbox app. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing problems. Regularly check your payment methods and transaction history to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing issues on Xbox. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.